Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special to share with you. A brand new luxury house for sale in the vibrant city of Negombo. Get ready to be mesmerized as we take you on a journey through this exquisite property. Nestled in the heart of Negombo, this brand new, unoccupied luxury single-story house is a dream come true for those seeking comfort, convenience, and priced at 245 lakhs. The price is negotiable, offering you the flexibility to make this luxurious haven your own. Negombo is conveniently located just a short distance from the Colombo main bus road, making commuting a breeze. Within a 3-kilometer radius, you'll find essential amenities such as hospitals, banks, and supermarkets. And if you're a frequent traveler, you'll be delighted to know that the highway to the airport is just 7.5 kilometers away, ensuring easy access to domestic and international travel. Furthermore, many international schools are located within 1 to 3 kilometers, making it an ideal location for families with school-going children. Just 8 minutes away from the tourist town and star-class hotels, you'll have access to an array of entertainment and dining options right at your doorstep. Now let's dive into the real details of this magnificent house. Situated in the highly developed area of Negombo Dalupota, this property sits on a spacious and well-arranged 10 perches of land. With spacious, wide carpeted paths, this 1,800 square feet house boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 beautiful bathrooms, and a stunning kitchen that's sure to inspire your inner chef. Complete with ample parking space and plumbing facilities, this house is truly a gem waiting to be discovered by genuine buyers. So, if you're ready to embark on the journey of homeownership and make this luxurious house your own, don't hesitate to contact us at the provided details. Remember, genuine buyers only. Be sure to read the advertisement carefully and book an appointment early to secure your chance to own this magnificent property. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more incredible properties and real estate opportunities. Until next time, happy house hunting.